everyone, this is Gigi and welcome to the first video of my YouTube. Um, this channel, you will see me a lot from now. So I'm gonna post a variety of contents, like my experiences, like my beauty products, anything that I purchased, anything that I experienced through the Canada. You're gonna watch it with me. So let me know anything that you want to see more or you're interested. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so for now, this is the first video that I'm talking, so I'm gonna make it a little bit special. And what's gonna be? It's gonna be my Christmas gift. So let me bring it up. It's huge, right? Okay. What do you think? Should I open it? It's a very special one, and I was damn expecting it. So, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is a Braun IPL, which is a kind of home care product for removing hairs. Which is, I love it. Come on, see the box. Look at that. It's the IPL 7. It's the latest model. And it could be connected to the phone, which is interesting. So let's unbox it. Golden time. Shall we open it? Huh. Getting hard time. Yes. I'm already cooked for this. Look at this. Oh God. Okay. It's lovely. Do I like it? I guess I love it. So, it came as a device with a bigger head for your body and also a smaller type for private parts and face, of course. And this is it. And we have a shaver. A little cute one from Venus. That's the whole packaging. I'm gonna test it and come back with another video probably in, I don't know, 1 month, 2 months, and share my experience with this device with you guys. So let me know if you have a specific question or if you want a demo from the device itself. And don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!